Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be diving into a game-changing feature on Ilara's HMIS, the bulk messaging. Imagine having to send personalized messages to hundreds of patients quickly, and instead of spending hours on individual calls, you get to send a personalized message to all of them with just a few clicks, keeping them informed and engaged with ease. Let's explore how this bulk messaging feature works and its benefits. Whether you're a healthcare provider or office manager, this tool can enhance your workflow and patient engagement. We'll cover how to categorize patients, create groups, and send targeted messages in just a few steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll learn how to save time, reduce admin tasks, and improve patient experiences. No more repetitive calls or emails delivered. Some of the benefits of the bulk messaging are efficiency, getting to send messages to multiple patients at once, targeted communication, segmenting patients by tag for personalized messaging, improved engagement, keeping patients informed and connected at all times, and lastly, consistency, ensuring there is uniform information delivered. On this tutorial, I'll be showing you on how to create a customized patient tag, add in a patient tag, create a group, and send in a broadcast message to the group that we'll create. First, we'll start by heading onto the patient list and clicking on a patient to open the accordion. On your right, you'll see the patient tag section with already existing tags and an add tag feature. On click, you'll get to see two sections. Select an existing tag, this is if it's already on the system, and a create custom tag. We'll start by creating the tag and then adding it later on. For the category, I'll choose medical condition, and for the tag name, I'll choose TB. Add a description and save to add the tag. Once this is done, you can go back to the add tags feature, select the category as medical condition, and in the existing list, you'll get to see that TB is already updated. Add the description and add the tag to the patient. And just like that, you'll get to see that the tag is already updated on the patient tags list. Next, we'll go to the messaging where we have to create a group and also send a broadcast message to the group. For the group name, I'll name it TB patients since that's the tag that I've created. And below, you'll get to see the filter patients by option. In this case, you can filter the patients by either the date they were added onto the system, their biological data, this is either the age or the gender, and also we have the patient tag section. So I'll select the category as the medical condition, and for the existing tag, that will be TB. Once you continue, you'll see a listing of all the patients that are under that tag. In this case, we only have one result since I've only added one patient under that tag. You can now finalize by adding the patient and creating the group. Just like that, the group is successfully created. Next, we'll go to send in the broadcast message, and on here you'll get to see the select patient group, and the TB patient is already updated. For the title, I'll select the clinic day and enter my message here. You have the option to schedule this message for later, or you can just send it now once you click on send. Also, we have a section that will notify you on the available credits on the system. And just like that, the message is sent to all the patients. That's it for bulk messaging. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Try it out and let us know of how it goes. Thank you for watching. See you next time.